Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix your error. So if your iPhone says that FaceTime and iMessage can charge for your carrier might charge, so how you can fix this? So first thing you need to try, just go to the settings, just open the settings, and in the settings you need to find here messages. So just find messages, just tap on the messages here and just try to reactivate your iMessage. So just try to turn off here and turn on again. So now just wait until it will reactivate your iMessage. So another thing you need to try, just go back and just open FaceTime. Just tap on FaceTime and just try to disable it and enable. So it will reactivate your FaceTime, so just wait some time until it will do it and just try to restore your phone. So just go back to the settings, just scroll to general, just find here general, and in the general just scroll down to reset, just tap on reset and just choose sorry, not reset but shutdown here. Just tap on shutdown, just slide to power off and just restore your phone. So I hope it will help you. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.